everybody! Thank you for coming to join me today for this dance tutorial to Boom and Snare's new song from the book Superheroes Dance 2. Now you've probably got a copy of the book already and that's why you're here, but don't worry, if you haven't got a copy of the book, I'll tell you how you can get one at the end. But first, quick introduction. My name's Jen, Director of dance company Hip Hop Pop Limited, and in Lockdown 3.0, I put my pen to paper and put this book, Superheroes Dance 2, together. So I thought it'd be a great idea to put together this dance tutorial to go with the beats and the moves that are in this book. So I've got some students from my dance company coming to join me in just a moment, and we're gonna show you some super cool moves. Before we move on to the moves though, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're on YouTube, hit the like button and the bell if you wanna see more videos from us. Today's dance you're gonna learn in 3 sections. Section number 3 goes with the words from the book. So when you're reading the book next time, you're gonna be able to bounce and groove along with the book. So everybody, meet the team. These are some of my students from Hip Hop Pop. How about guys, you introduce yourselves?
Hi, my name's Lewis.
Hi, I'm Ananya.
Hi, my name's Zane.
Hi, my name's Freddie.
Hi, I'm Rayleigh.
Hi, I'm Annie.
Hi, I'm Jen. You already know me. All right guys, let's get cracking, let's do it. All right, so part 1, we're gonna start with our hands out and our elbows in by our hips. Knees nice and bent so we're relaxed and we feel cool. So we're gonna rock our bodies as if we're taking a little bow. As if you're saying, thank you very much. But we're gonna rock our bodies to the left, right, left, left. Guys, are you ready? Should we do it? So, knees bent, we're gonna lean forward, take a bow left, take a bow right, take a bow left, left. Now we're in the zone, bring the arms out bigger. We're gonna do the same again, starting this way. So we go right, left, right, right. Okay, so there's 8 bounces in total. Let's try it again. Arms in by your sides. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, and 1, 1, 2. Bigger arms. 1, 1, 2. Yes, team. Hopefully you're with us. Now don't forget, this is a video, so if you want to rewind it and do it again, that's totally cool. But I'm going to carry on. Are you guys ready to carry on? All right, let's do it. So now our arms are going to come in like this, right? Thumbs up, and we're going to punch straight out, boom, because he says in the song, yes you can. So we're going to say yes at the same time. So, arms out, when I say go, we're going to go, boom, like this. Are you ready? Steady, go, boom, yes. Now at the same time, I want you to lift up your right leg, then your left, and then 2 on your right, right, right. Do that again, right, left, right, right. Now remember, the rocks we did at the beginning, we're gonna add them on top. So when we're doing our legs like this, ready guys, let's show them. It goes rock, rock, double. Okay, let's do it from the top. You're doing so good guys, let's do it. Hands in, 5, 6, 7, and left, right, left, left, bigger, right, left, right, right. Thumbs, boom, 2, 3, 4, brilliant. Now the last bit in this section, he says, find out in our latest adventure. So we're saying, come and find out. So show me these hands. Hands coming in like this. It's like you do it like trying to buff yourself if it's summer and it's really hot. So we're doing this and we're looking at each other in the screen and we're gonna walk around in a circle, right guys? Yeah, should we do it? So we go walk around in a circle. And when we finish, we're gonna do a massive jump with our arms out like this. On 3, ready team? 1, 2, 3. And we look fierce like superheroes, just like Boom and Snare. Okay, let's do it from the beginning of part 1. Everybody shake it all out. Make sure our bodies are ready for this. Arms in, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 1, 2, this way. Bigger, bigger. That's it, thumbs, go, yes, yes. Walk in a circle, come on, 6, 7, boom. Brilliant, all right team. Are you ready for music? I think they need to be louder, don't you boys and girls? Should we try that again? Are my team ready for music?
Yeah!
Let's go!
Let's go! Can you see the heroes every day? You go and stand troubles away. Yes, they can, I'm with the adventure. Find out in the latest adventures. Boom and Snare, let's go! Can you
part 1 done and you smashed it. Let's go straight in to part number 2. So here's part 2. Get ready to learn. Feet are apart. We've just finished part 1 right here. Now your arms are going to come up to your armpits and down. And when they do, you're going to lean your body forward as if you're looking at me closer in the screen, and then we're going to come back. Okay, so let's just try 2 of those. We're going to go forward and forward and. One more time, and 7 and forward and forward and. Yes. Now at the same time, our feet are going to do a crisscross. I want you to take your left leg, our right leg, your left leg in front, and we're going to open, and the same on the left. Your right. Yes, so you're going left in front, right in front. If you're not sure you're right and you're left, just copy us. It's all good. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, and cross and cross and. Now here's the cool part. This is the most challenging part of the dance, but I know that you guys have got this, okay? You need to bring your body forward, pull up your arms at the same time as crossing your legs. So we're going to go cross, up, same the other way, cross, up. Let's try it one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Cross, up, cool. Now this bit, I want you to imagine like you had a magic potion that's made you feel a little bit dizzy. Okay, our arms are going to stay. We're going to be very dizzy with our upper body. Going to go to the left, back, all the way around, and then back to normal. You try again. So we're going to go round to the left, to the back, and to the front. Cool. Let's do the crisscrosses again. Cross, and this time, instead of the circle, we're going to put our left hand up. So it's like you're giving me a thumbs up with a point as well, and it goes up like this. And we're going to point down to our dance space twice. 1, 2. And as Freddie's doing so well, we're going to bounce and make it feel cool at the same time. So we're going to have our hand up like this, and we're going to go bounce, bounce. All right, and that is part 2. Let's do it slowly, shall we, team? Okay, from the top of part 2, slowly. Crisscross. 6, 7, go. Cross, up, round, stop. Cross, up, break it down. Oh, I lied. Sorry, naughty Jen. There's a bit more. I forgot, there's 2 more steps. Are you ready? So our arms going to come round like this, underneath, show off our muscles. Come on, team. Yeah, dancing makes you strong, so we're going to show. I'm super strong. This arm, dancing makes you fit, and we're going to stand there all proud like we're strong and fit. Okay, so dancing makes you strong, it keeps you fit. At the same time, feet together, we're going to do what's called a 2-step, okay? We're going to step to the left and in. Notice that was 2 steps. And then the same this way, to the right and in. One more time, to the left and in, to the right and in. Now imagine the floor is a trampoline, so it's springy as we do it. Let's bounce, team. Okay, now keep bouncing, and we're going to do the steps. Ready? And 5, 6, just the steps. Let's go. Bounce, up, bounce, up. Did you do it? Let's do it again. Let's go, bounce, up, bounce, up. At the arms, 6, 7, 8, and bounce, hook, bounce, stop. Nice. And then the last bit, he says you can bounce around to all the latest hits. So we're going to do 2 big bounces here. Bounce, bounce, and pretend your favourite song just came on. Put your hands in the sky. You're going to keep bouncing as if it's your tune. Let's go. Yes, yes. Nice. All right, let's practice all of part 2 a little bit faster. Are you ready, team? Are we good? All right, come on then. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and cross, and round. Stop. Cross, and break it down. Dancing makes you strong. It keeps you fit. You can bounce around to all the latest hits. Yes, I think before we put the music on, we're going to try it super speed. Super speed. Who wants to do it super speed?
Me.
Yeah, that's what I thought. My team are ready. My team. Are you ready? Come on, guys. Let's do it. 5, 6, 7, and cross, and round. Stop. Cross, and break it down. Dancing makes you strong. It keeps you fit. You can bounce around to all the latest hits. Yes, team. Let's try it to music.
5, turntables around. And they know how to break it down. Dance that makes you strong, it keeps you fit, get bounce around with all the latest hits. Yes, they can, and I'm with an adventure. Find out in the latest adventures. Step to these turntables around. And they know how to break it down. Dance that makes you strong, it keeps you fit, get bounce around with all the latest hits.
Oh my gosh, everybody, you did part 1 and part 2 so well. Now we've got a final part. Remember, part 3 is the bit that goes with the words in the book. So make sure we turn them brains on an extra gear. Ready to go? Let's do it. Team, are you ready?
Yeah.
I think they need to be louder, don't they? Should we try it again? Team, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. So he says, bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap. We're gonna do that. So feet kind of like shoulder width apart. Big bounce for me. Bounce. At the same time, pretend like you're putting up a really long pair of socks right up to your armpit. So we're gonna go bounce. Then obviously we're gonna clap. Try it again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and bounce. Clap. Nice. Now we're gonna mix up the bounces this time. Be extra cool. We're gonna take a step on the left and a step on the right, and then a jump. Okay. Now instead of just doing one bounce, our bounce happens when we step. So we go bounce and jump. Yeah, so as we take our first step, we bend and bounce into it. Let's try that little bit again. Step, step, jump. Ready? Steady, and bounce, bounce, jump. So, at the same time, we're going to look as if we've got something really cool in our hands, some superpowers. Let's say superpowers. In our left hand, in our right hand, and then we're going to clap. Boom. Okay? Let's do it from the top, team, from the top of part 3. So we go. Bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap. Yeah, let's do it faster. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap. Woohoo! Hopefully you kept up with us. Now what we're going to do is what happens in the song, and that is 4 times. Now try, when you do it, to stay in the spot, because we don't want to, if you're dancing at home, we don't want you to knock everything over in the living room, okay? So we want you to stay on the spot when you do it. 4 times. Is my team ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. 5, 6, 7, and bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap, bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap, bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap, bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap. Yes, team. Right, then we're going to mix it up a little bit. He says in the book, repeat, repeat, everybody feel the beat. So we're going to go with our left hand. Remember that thumb and point we did earlier on? To the camera. Repeat, repeat. So we're like pointing at me as if you're saying, come on Jen's team, let's go. Ready, and repeat, repeat. Yeah? Then we're going to do 3 steps. Our right foot is going to come behind, left foot to the side, do an extra tap with your right. Yeah, let's do it again. So we're going to keep our, if my team can do it with me, keep our left arm out at the same time. Our feet go behind, side, step. Yeah. Then we swap arms. And we do repeat, repeat. Repeat, repeat. Feel the rhythm in your feet, and we're going to do the same step. Behind, side, tap. Yeah. Okay, so listen. We've got repeat, repeat, 3 little steps. Repeat, repeat, 3 little steps. We're going to do it slowly first time, okay, team? So this hand first. Here we go. Repeat, repeat. Step 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Repeat, repeat. Step 1, 2, 3. All right, let's try it faster this time. Rayleigh, are you ready? Brilliant. Ananya, are you ready? The rest of my team, are you ready?
Yeah.
Come on, right, let's go fast. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat, repeat, and a step 3 times. Repeat, repeat, and a step 3 times. Yeah. And then we literally do 2 more times. Bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap. Let's try it together 2 times. Ready? 6, 7, and bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap, bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap. And then the music fades out. And what I want you to do is have a bit of a party with me and my team. Okay, we're just going to have some fun to the music at the end. And we would love you to join us, wouldn't we, guys?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay, let's do it from bounce, clap, the very first time. Okay, ready? With us, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap, bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap, have a party together. Hey, okay. I can't wait. I'm super excited. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
Right, this is the big one. Let's dance.
Yeah, boom and snare go bounce, 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 repeat, repeat, everybody repeat, 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 put a rhythm in your feet, bounce, 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 yeah, boom and snare go bounce.
Wow, what an achievement! You've learned all 3 parts. Now, all that's left to do is for us to put this together as a big, big dance. So, you can join in with any part you like, but in the middle, between parts 2 and 3, there's going to be a section we call freestyle. That means that you can show off all of your moves as well. So, you've learned my moves, but we want to see yours. So we're going to do part 1 and 2 to music. Then there's a freestyle section, and we want to see all your super cool moves. We're going to come up to the screen and dance with you as well. And then part 3 is the section that goes with the book words, remember. So best of luck. Let's enjoy it. Let's go.
Boom and snare, let's go. Can these superheroes save the day? Can Boom and Snare dance troubles away? Yes, they can, and I'm willing to bet ya. Find out in the latest adventures. They're the coolest kind of heroes around, and they know how to break it down. Dancing makes you strong, it keeps you fit. You can bounce around to all the latest hits. Yeah, boom and snare go bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap, bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap, bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap, bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap. Repeat, repeat, everybody feel the beat. Repeat, repeat, feel the rhythm in your feet. Bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap, bounce, clap, bounce, bounce, clap.
Everybody, fantastic! Thank you so much for dancing with us today. We really enjoyed dancing with you, and we hope that you've enjoyed learning some new steps as well. If you enjoyed dancing, keep it up, keep moving. It's such a great way, as Boom and Snare say, to keep you fit and healthy and strong. So dance is always an option for you. Now don't forget, if you haven't got a copy of the book, you can get a copy at superheroesdance2.co.uk. That's superheroesdance2.co.uk. And if you get it there, you get 2 free stickers and a bookmark as well. So do pop along and have a look. You can also get a copy of Boom and Snare's song there too, and some colouring pages. So go check it out. It was so lovely to dance with you today. From all of us here at Hip Hop Pop and me, Jenny, thank you very much. Bye guys.
Can these superheroes save the day? Can Boom and Snare dance troubles away? Yes, they can, and I'm willing to bet ya. Find out in the latest adventures. They're the coolest kind of heroes around, and they know how to break it down. Dancing makes you strong, it keeps you fit. You can bounce around to all the latest hits.